Brother,
What is it?
are you not going to work today?
No, I am not working with the bank anymore.
Why?
I've resigned.
Resigned?
Yeah.
So?
Go see, I have gotten a better job in a big company. Yes. Go. This job is going to take care of our financial needs effortlessly. And I'll be able to have time for myself as the managing director of the company.
Oh, thank God.
And two, you and Ekene can equally come and work there when you have holiday and make more money for yourselves.
Yay, praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
You can now go to school, huh? Okay. And don't bother about me, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, take care of yourself, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, who is that?
My love, how are you?
Hey.
How are you?
I'm good.
So how are you enjoying your new office?
I love it. I love it so much. This is just my dream job.
I knew Daddy would do it. I mean, there's practically nothing that he wouldn't do for me.
Thank you so much, my love.
It's all right.
Just some little challenges, for a start.
Challenges? What challenges are you talking about?
The general manager, he's kind of slow. I wish he can be faster so we'll meet up our target.
That man? I mean, that man again? I told Daddy to sack him. But he kept saying that he has relationship with his brother and it's going to stop.
What are you doing?
Don't need to worry about that. Hello? Is that Miss Owalaka? I want to see you at the MD's office immediately.
It's just some little...
It doesn't matter. Don't worry yourself.
Why did you summon him for?
When he comes, you'll find out.
Come on, sir. You sent for me.
Mr. Owalaka, will you get up from there? Is something wrong with you? Mr. Owalaka, I understand that you're still as lazy as ever, right? What do you think this place is? A relaxation spot? The demotion that was given to you previously was not enough for you, right?
Sorry, madam. I don't understand.
Will you shut that thing you call him out? Is something wrong with you? How dare you talk while I'm talking? This is how you people go about running other people's businesses down because you do not know how they suffer to make their money. I mean, what is all this? Now listen very attentively. You have to sit up. Otherwise, be ready to look for another job. Now leave my presence.
MD, why did you invite me?
Look at this man. Have you lost your sanity? I said out of here! I said get out! Nonsense.
Babe, what's all that for?
My love, you do not know all those people. If you don't put your foot down, they're going to climb on your head. That is how they go about ruining other people's businesses. I mean, I will not have that in my father's company. I won't have that. And I won't have anyone make things difficult for you. I won't.
For Christ's sake, I am in charge here. You made me look as if I'm reporting my subordinate. As if I'm not capable of handling situations.
Babes, I was only trying to help.
By embarrassing me? I'm the manager? Come on. This kind of attitude can dampen the spirit of the staff.
So I've done something wrong now. I am not the bad person. Because I'm trying to protect my husband, Abby. I'm not the bad person. It's alright, it's fine. But mind you that whenever anything happens in this company, I will not intervene. I will not.
You just have to take it easy, okay? Okay. Sweetheart. Babe. Come on.
You're not doing badly.
Thank you, sir.
At least not like that stubborn Owalaka.
Thank you, sir.
But you need to step up. I need you to quickly take out loan and procure more machinery from abroad.
Sir, there are some outstanding loans we are still servicing, and it's eating into our income.
Stop servicing those loans.
But sir, if we stop, the bank will get agitated.
You're talking like a banker, while I'm talking like an investor. My instruction to you is to stop servicing those loans and apply for more loans.
With which collateral, sir?
Use the same collateral for the new loan.
Oh, no, sir. It's unethical.
Fool. Is bank money your father's money? That is why people like you remain poor. You think making money is about morality and ethics, and wearing suit and speaking big grammar.
No, sir, but you know, as a banker, I know that...
My friend, follow my instructions and make sure you follow it all the way through. Or you resign and I hire someone that has the liver to make money. I am through with you.
Thank you, sir.
Leave that file for me. I'll take a closer look at it later.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Again. Sorry to disturb you, but I'm here again. Not because, girl, I don't feel live without your love. You're the one that I've built my world around. I know it looks somehow, but I still they beg, make you try understand. Cause I've given everything, I've given all my life. You're the one, only one in my heart. Yes, it's true, you set me high. When I see you, I'm on fire. I don't feel to sleep, you got in my brain. You're my only one desire. Yes, it's true, you set me high. When I see you, I'm on fire. I don't feel to sleep, you've got to my brain. You're my only one desire. I go enter for coma if ever you love someone, and that guy no be me. I go enter for coma if ever you love someone, and that guy no be me. I go enter for coma, oh. From the girl I fit you. I go enter for coma, oh. From the girl I fit you. Baby, tell me what it takes. Waiting I fi do just to get to you. I don't think I'm well and I know if you understand. Tell me what it takes, I will do it if I can. See, I don't find, I don't try, I don't cry, I won't ask. I say I don't find, I don't try, I don't cry, I won't next. Baby, see you be the one where they make me breathe, make me breathe, make me breathe. And you be the one where they make me feel, make me feel, make me see, girl, I know how you, but girl, I won't die you. I go enter for coma if ever you love someone, and that guy no be me. I go enter for coma if ever you love someone, and that guy no be me. I go enter for coma, oh. From the girl I fit you. I go enter for coma, oh. From the girl I fit you. Yes, it's true, you set me high. When I see you, I'm on fire. I don't feel to sleep, you've got to my brain. You're my only one desire. Yes, it's true, you set me high. When I see you, I'm on fire. I don't feel to sleep, you've got to my brain. You're my only one desire. I go enter for coma if ever you love someone, and that guy no be me. I go enter for coma if ever you love someone, and that guy no be me. I go enter for coma, from the girl I feel die you. I go enter for coma, from the girl I feel die you. I go enter for coma if ever you love someone, and that guy no be me. I go enter for coma if ever you love someone, and that guy no be me. I go enter for coma, from the girl I feel die you. I go enter for coma, from the girl I feel die you. Story started like it will never end. Every place where we go, they say no time. And this was our dream, so we must stay real. Say we never fall, yes, yes, we going up. And there was no one there to help us out. Say you get silent, not for your mind. We tried all we could, we hustled all time. Dreaming one day there'll be a sunny day. As we kept on trying, and we believe God was with us as we kept on pushing on, just waiting for God to help us. There were nights God changed our mom, and she paid for almost all. Others say we sold some of our things, but now I'm sure God really cares, and that's true.
You've always been there when there's no one else.
So we dey thank you for all so far. With you on our side, we dey go high.
You've always been there when there's no one else.
So we dey thank you for all so far. With you on our side, we dey go high. It was one, then become two. Doing things and running things cause we one group. Take it to the streets, call them CD. Hoping say one day we go they run the city. Big bro, you go ever still the lookout for me. Get me to believe whenever I'm losing my feet. Yeah, it could be hard, we go pull through. Just gotta believe and we do what we do. Always there for me, see, please. Would you care for me, ma, please? Keep the beats coming, Goonsy, please, please. You know we spend time to keep it real. Make sounds to show just the way we feel. Took us a while coming, but made it true. Cities and stars and it's just...
Man, it's not been easy at all. At all. You know, the pressure is too high in me, but I'm coping. They say good things don't come easy.
Of course, yes. You know, where there is a will, there's always a way.
Sure. You know, this job is cool. At least it's giving me more time to myself.
And of course, more money.
You're right. But these big men, they are funny. They are not easy at all. You know, sometimes it looks as if you're free to do everything you want to do, but on the other way around, they have their own way of pulling the strings and controlling things for themselves, especially phones. You know?
Well, that is why they are big men.
Exactly. You're right. But you know, I'm working so hard to ensure he fulfills his promise of the 40% shareholding of the company.
Wow. Bro, seriously. That is huge.
Yeah, very huge.
Big.
Very big. You know, according to Chief, he said it will make me automatic multi-millionaire. You know, it will make you automatic multi-millionaire.
Wait,
Let's toast to future automatic multi-millionaire.
You can say that again.
The last time I asked you to wait for me, you defied me and went to your house because according to you, it was getting too late. What's the meaning of that? So this house is not big enough for you to sleep?
And sir, it's big enough, but I didn't plan it, sir. So
What is lacking here? Food? Room? Servants? You seem to have a lot of pride. Poor man shouldn't have pride. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Today again, for the second time, you left when I asked you to wait.
Sir, I had urgent things to attend at the office.
What can be more urgent than my call?
So the supplies of...
Shut up, my friend. Is it not my company?
Sir, I wouldn't want us to incur the loss.
Is it not my loss? Am I no longer the CEO? You have started challenging me when you are yet to marry my daughter. So when you marry my daughter, you will chase me out of here.
No, God forbid, sir. That will never happen.
So I am a liar.
No.
Oh, I'm lying.
No, you're not, sir. You're not. Chief, you're not. You're not lying. Please.
It's quite obvious you are yet to understand the dynamics of this level of business. Let today be the last time I will summon you and you have reason to leave without my consent.
I'm sorry, sir. So sorry. Please, forgive me.
Leave.
It's okay. Have a nice day, sir.
Yes, hello, Frank.
Hi, love. How are you?
No, I'm not okay.
What is it?
My father traveled to London since last week and I can't reach him on the phone. I need to register something in school and honestly, I don't know what to do.
Look, it's okay, please. Just take it easy, okay?
Listen, if I don't complete the registration, I'm going to lose a whole semester. It's not funny.
Alright, so how much are we talking about here?
Just 50k.
50,000. Okay, look, I don't have such amount of money now, but I'm very certain it will be available by weekend. Is that okay by you?
Okay, I'll wait. Thank you.
It's alright, my dear. You know I can't allow you suffer.
That's nice.
Alright, so where will you be by weekend?
Oh, at our at our house in VGC.
Oh. Okay. It's alright. Please do take care of yourself, okay?
I love you too.
Wow.
Stingy man. Couldn't even do transfer for me. Stingy.
Hello, love. Where are you?
Okay, I'm in Banana Island. Yes, I'm in my auntie's place. Her birthday is tomorrow, holding at Sheraton. So I'm here helping her out, get ready for the birthday tomorrow.
All right, nice. I would have actually loved to see you.
Oh, well, I'm very busy right now. So, anything?
Yes, I wanted to give you the money you requested.
Oh, the money. Oh, sweetheart, you can make a transfer. It's easier and quicker.
Look, baby, I have cash now. And I don't have any money on my online account.
All right, if you say so, just tell me where you are. I'll come to you. Where are you?
I'm right in front of your house.
Front of my house? I said I'm in Banana Island. Are you in Banana Island?
Right in front of your house.
How do you mean?
Right. So this is the VGC and Banana Island you've been talking about. Well, I knew you've been lying to me all this while, but I just decided to give you a benefit of doubt. And yes, I have a car. In fact, cars. I just decided to give you a little test. And you failed. You didn't just fail, you failed woefully.
Frank, please, I'm sorry. It's the devil's work. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I won't do it again, please. Frank.
Try to be real, baby. Always. It doesn't pay to live a fake life. Hmm?
Frank, I love you. Frank, I love you. Frank, I love you. I love you. I'm sorry. I love you with my heart. I said I'm sorry. It will not happen again. Please.
Can you just don't obstruct
Frank,
me again?
Frank, please. Frank. How did he find me here? How did he? Hey.
Guy, you know, I just confirmed what my mother used to tell me some years ago. Mm-hmm. She said, if you see a young, beautiful girl who is of a marriageable age and is not yet married, neither does she have a ring in her finger to prove that she's been engaged to be married, one thing must be a major problem.
Why?
That is her character.
Why do you say that?
Each time I think of this, I just feel like a fool. You know, there's this girl I have been following for the past few months. Mm-hmm. Beautiful, very pretty, black, tall. Bros, if you see this girl's waist, in fact, she was just my ideal woman.
Can you imagine?
She used to tell me, anyway, she claimed that her father lived in Banana Island. Then
really?
Her siblings or relatives live in VGC. She told me that her father shuttles overboard like Ojolegba. But guess what? Yesterday, I discovered her true and real habitat. Where? Bros, this girl lives in a ghetto.
Wagam.
Not just any kind of ghetto. Face me, I face you. I saw her with my two eyes.
Face?
Drying clothes, not on the rope. She was drying clothes on the fence.
Oh my God. Face me, face you. For you?
Do you know the most annoying part? The most annoying part is that ever since I met this girl, I have been spending. If you take her to an eatery to eat, she will eat so much. Not just so much. After eating, she will demand for takeaway. Like 2, 3 takeaway. If it was 1, I'll say, okay, 2.
Gluto.
Don't even make mistakes. Say, okay, let's go for shopping. You know, normally, like you do your girlfriend, let's go for shopping, bros.
I go.
Anything her eye sees, you pay. Anything her eye sees, she will carry.
But
that was what got me suspicious. So I decided to start monitoring her. Trust a guy now. I monitored her until I found out where she lived. And I discovered that she lived in a face me, I face you, and then her mother sells pepper. Pepper. I'm not talking about boutique, pepper. In front of the house. So to tell you how much your guy have suffered.
Okay. What was her reaction when you bust her? When you saw her, what was her reaction?
Her reaction?
Yeah.
Let me even shock you. When I saw the house and then I saw her, I drove away from the house a little bit. Then I called her on phone. I told her that I would like us to see. Do you know what she told me? I'm not around. I went to see my auntie in Banana Island. I'll become, if you see lie. This one is not the lie you hear, it's the one you see. And then I stepped out of the car and told her. She now asked me, where are you? I told her that I'm in front of your house. That was when hair let loose. Before she turned, she saw me behind her.
Red-handed.
And then she now brought the...
I can imagine.
She now told me it was the devil.
The devil don't suffer.
I'm telling you.
This devil don't suffer.
That's in serious suffer.
This devil don't suffer, my
And
guy.
I'm sure the devil was not even close to a house then. He was just rolling somewhere. Like he normally does now. Moving around.
Anyway, my guy, just take heart. You know, that's how all these girls behave. You know, just chill. Don't take it too serious. You understand? I don't say don't chop your money well, but don't feel too bad, okay?
Sir, my company has a new product that covers every risk, not just fire and flood. So,
Miss Stella, I've told you that this company is fully covered by a reputable insurance firm.
I know, sir. But there's always something for everyone. So at least give us part of the business. It's not good for just one company to cover all risk. Okay, sir, just look at this. You know, just take a look at it. This is the new product we have now. Yeah. Even this.
Hey, baby.
Hi. Hey.
How are you?
I'm alright.
How you doing?
Are you a staff of this company? No.
Then what are you doing here?
I am...
honey, she's an insurance marketer. She's here to canvass for her company.
Canvas for what? What are you talking about? Madam, I know what you want to do. You are not here to market any stupid insurance. You are here to market yourself.
Excuse me.
Your stupid self, I said.
I take exception to that.
Oh, will you shut up? And now, I need you to get out of this office. I need to speak to my husband in private.
You don't need to talk to me in that manner.
Shut up your mouth! Are you mad? Stop! It's something wrong with you! No! Don't worry! Stop! You want to fight me? Stop it! Come on, let's have it!
Stop.
You want to fight me, right?
Please, go. It's okay.
Come on, let's have it!
I'll see you.
Something is definitely wrong with you!
No.
Oh my goodness! Oh my god, I cannot take this! In my father's company! In the company my husband is the MD! And this thing comes here to embarrass me! Oh no! I will not take it! I cannot! So, you actually escorted her after she wanted to fight me? You should have followed her to her house. Or maybe spend the night there.
What is wrong with you?
What do you mean, what is wrong with me?
Only the water's come over you. Do you have to embarrass the poor lady that way?
Oh, please, don't even tell me that. Tonto, Father did not have this company over to you for you to use it to humiliate me.
Meaning what?
Meaning that I did not like what just happened.
I mean, how could you be in an uncompromising way with that lady in here all by yourself? Why?
What are you insinuating? Am I not supposed to entertain visitors anymore?
It is not in your position. She could leave the gate men, the clerks. They are the people that could attend to her, but not you, the MD.
Oledo, I am the only one who...
Oh, please! Do not upset me now. I mean, what is all this? Do you think I'm a child? And please, today will be the very last day I will entertain such riffraff in this office. I will not have it again. Never! What's all this? What? In my father's company? Oh no. No one messes with me. No one.
Sorry, excuse me. Can I have your attention for a minute? My name is Dan.
Sorry, I'm in a hurry.
Sorry, can I get your number? I can give you a call later. Thank you.
00.
Okay.
354.
Okay.
98.
Okay.
705.
I must say that you are so beautiful. I'll call you.
Hey, I gave you wrong number. Wait! It's the wrong number, wait! It's the wrong number, wait! It's the wrong number! Wait! It's the wrong number! Hey, okay, help me call. Hey! I gave you wrong number, Well. Who is pushing me from my village, oh? That's fine, Venza. Latest Venza. I would have caught a big fish now. Hey! Then what is wrong with you? Are you sure somebody is not chasing me from my village? Look at fine man with fine car, just gave me a wrong number. Hey! 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 Rubbish. Hey! Look at big meat. Fine Venza, newest model. Hey! Is he coming back?
Hi, Venda.
Hi.
What's up?
Hi.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
But you look worried.
I'm just wondering. I said I'm fine.
Fine, it's okay.
Thank you.
Venda, baby.
Hello, Benza. I'm inviting you for a church program this Sunday.
I can take this thing out of my sight. Do I look like your church member? Or did I complain to you that I have spiritual help? Get out! Get out, please! Idiot. Fool. This girl is a witch. Amaka is a witch.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Thank you. Okay. It's time to sing to the birthday girl. 1, 2, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
I'm plus one today.
Yay! Thank you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!
I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you, babies. Remember the big party tonight at Rainbow Square Garden. Oh, hope we are ready.
We are born ready.
Oh,
Ever ready.
now it's time for fastest finger.
Everyone is ready. I'm ready. I can't wait.
Wow. Here it is. 1,000 naira credit.
Fastest number. Easy. We are waiting.
Here we go. 6, 7, 0, 5, 6, 9, 9, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 3, 5, 4, 8.
Yes, I have the card. Oh my God. Used by who? By me. Wow! Congrats, girl. Congrats, baby. Wow, you're so fast. 1,000 naira recharge card. Wow. I'm happy for you, girl. Thank you.
Congrats. Oh my goodness. Alright, friends. As you can see, I don't have much time. Meet you tonight at the party. My baby is waiting. Of course, we're gonna be there. Sure. Oh my goodness, just give me a hug. Thank you. Oh, baby. See?
Let me see.
Alright.
I'll take the bag. Make sure you dress very hot for the party. So, Benny, how are you? Are you still going there? The place I talked about.
Which place other than the party?
Wow! You know, I can't believe it. Wow. I'm happy for you, girls. So happy. Don't worry, girls. I will transfer 100 naira each. Wow, thank you. That's why I love you.
Okay, stop making noise. What is it? Other people will win something and we have peace. In your own case, we will not go hear word. What do you win when person never win before? You win 1 million.
Venda, what's wrong with you these days? Why are you biting up? What's biting you up? No, tell me. Anyway, whatever it is, please do not cross my lane.
And don't you ever talk to me in that manner again.
Never! And if I do, what will happen? No, tell me, what will happen?
Anyway, you're just jealous. Jealous of who? Jealous of you. Like this. It's in the away house. Look at this idiot though. I should be jealous because of all these small chingom boys that you parade around the campus. Like I got that me, chingom boys. You and I know that I move with big boys. You know that. No, you know. Big boy that you snatched. Boyfriend snatcher.
Me, boyfriend snatcher. Me. Anyway, you're just suffocating with envy.
I will slap the hell out of you if you insult me.
Yes, you will slap. I will slap you. Come on, let me see. I should let you.
Come in. What is it?
What?
Will you get up from there? Look at the way you're balanced. Is this your father's sitting room? Or have you lost your mind? What nonsense? Useless man.
Thank you.
Here. Process this very fast and get me the money. I need it for urgent shopping.
₦450,000 naira. Hey!
Hey! What?
Madam, this is a lot of money. It will require MD's signature.
Meaning what? I need a paltry 450,000 naira from my father's company. And you're telling me about MD's signature. What nonsense! Look at this one. What do you know? Will you get out from this place and give me the money I asked you for?
Okay. Madam, sorry, when exactly do you need the money?
Are you sick? Is something wrong with you? Get out! Get out! Security! Get out of my office! How on earth did my father get this man into this company? What nonsense! Don't worry. I'll see to it.
Oh.
You're back. So quick.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Yeah.
So how did you go?
Yes, just to discuss in principle about the supplies.
Oh.
The details will be later.
It's alright.
Sweetheart, on my way coming in, I met Mr. Owalaka. He made me sign a voucher originated by you.
So that lousy man has been crawling with that paper I gave him ever since then?
Sweetheart, please. I will appeal to you not to make their work so difficult for them.
How? How do you mean?
Please try and abide by the procedures, especially the matter concerning money. It will help so much in accountability.
Really?
Yeah.
So all this sermon now is because of the little money I asked for my shopping?
I'm not looking into your money for shopping or whatever, but what I'm saying is please follow the procedure.
Then I should kneel before you and get the signature then? In my own father's company? Somto, you play too much. You seem to have forgotten that you're here because of me.
Do you have to remind me that always?
Aren't you the one being unreasonable and arrogant? Aren't you?
What are you talking about? Me? Arrogant? Me?
Yes. My father made life easier for you, courtesy of me. Instead of you being grateful, you're giving me boss attitude. How? I don't get it.
You know what? I am done with this job. I can't take this anymore. I am tired of your humiliations. I am done.
Suit yourself.
What is it?
And where do you think you're going?
I am leaving this job. I am done with this job. Since I started this job, I've never known peace. It's from one humiliation to another. I am going. I am quitting. And no one will stop me.
So this is it. You want to leave me? You want to leave me because of this little quarrel we had? You want to disgrace me? Because I asked you for little money. Where have I gone wrong? After everything I did for you. I rejected all my suitors against my father's will because of you. Now you want to leave me because of this little quarrel we just had. Is that right? Is that all the love you've been professing to me? You want to leave me because of... This is not fair. This is not fair. This is not what I expected from you. In relationships, there are always ups and downs.
Baby, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I overreacted. But you know, the pressure was too much on me from all angles. You need to see what your dad did to me the other day in front of gate man and others. Eh? I wasn't idle before. I wasn't jobless. You know it. But anyway, I am sorry. Please forgive me.
It's okay, my darling. It's because we are not yet fully married. By the time we get married fully, Dad will no longer interfere in our affairs.
Please help me talk to him about it. But don't tell him I complained. Okay?
Then you have to hasten up with the marriage plans. Okay? So that we can live our lives without interference.
It's okay. I love you.
I love you too, babe.
Come on, let's go to somewhere and chill off.
Okay.
What do you think?
Right away. Let's go. Oh.
Are you good now?
Yeah, babe.
Sure.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Come on.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Ew.
What exactly is going on? I went to the office today. You were nowhere to be found. I called your line and it was switched off.
Sir, I'm sorry. I guess my battery was down.
The batteries of your two phones were down. Where were you? Because I spent over 1 hour and no one could explain your movement. Is that how you've been running my company?
No, sir. I wasn't feeling too well, so I decided to take a bed rest.
What a cheap lie. What a cheap lie. When you were slaving in the bank, did you take bed rest? This is the problem of poor people. You give them an inch, they want a mile.
Sorry, sir.
You're now earning 3 times your salary in the bank with fraudulent deals behind my back. Yet, you can afford to take bed rest. Okay, let me assume you went and took bed rest. With whose permission? Am I no longer the CEO?
Of course you are, sir. You are.
Just imagine. Imagine. I came to the office with 3 expatriates from China to inspect the facilities and know how they can partner with us. But you were nowhere to be found. You were nowhere to be found.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm
Mr.
so sorry.
MD.
So sorry.
The MD Aputaba. I don't mix business with sentiment. Listen, In-law or no in-law, you must play by the rules.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'm so sorry. I promise this will never happen again.
It better not.
So I don't have data. When we get to the house, I'll Google it so I can get the write-off from internet.
I've done this one.
Okay, you've done this one?
Yes, yes, I've done it.
Good, I'll copy from you then.
Okay. So
This man and his assignment,
one.
I don't understand.
That one is kind of confusing.
No, so this. Okay, this one.
Yeah.
This is another.
Yeah, Maka, what's up? You're back. All right, I'll meet you guys in the room. Take care. Yeah.
Hey, Linda, how are you? I hate that Amaka. She's so boastful and full of herself. Who does she think she is? Eh? The day I will deal with that hypocrite, let none of you stop me. Because what I will do to...
Venza, it's okay. What did Amaka do to you that you're always getting angry with her?
She took my boyfriend.
Really? But you're still with Shegun.
Who is that? Who is Shegun? Look at this one. I'm talking of a rich big boy. And you're talking of Shegun who is always broke.
Oh, tell me about that.
Okay. There's this rich, handsome big boy I met in town. Okay. Immediately he fell in love with me. Yes. And he came to the hostel to look for me. I was not around. Amaka cornered him.
Really? I'm not aware of such a guy.
How would you know? With a secretive, holier than thou life.
Well, that's really bad of Amaka. We're not supposed to backbite each other. That's not fair.
I will deal with Amaka. I said I will deal with Amaka. I must take my revenge.
It's okay. I understand how you feel, okay? It's okay. You know what will happen? Once we get home this evening, I'm going to bring up the issue and we'll trash it out.
No. There's nothing to trash out. I don't want you to discuss it. As a matter of fact, I don't want her to know that I'm angry about it.
Why?
Are you asking?
Yes, of
course. Have you taken a very good look at me? Me, Venda, aka Venza. How will it be said that ordinary Amaka, Ochako Amaka, took a man from me, Venza? Oh, you want her to start feeling pompous? Hey, I took a man from Venza. No, please, don't tell her anything. In fact, promise me you're not going to say a word to her. Promise.
Then you have to promise that you stop nagging and quarreling her. If not, I'll discuss it. Okay?
Okay, fine.
Better. So let's go. Don't worry now. It's okay.
Look at Amaka.
It's okay. Let's go.
Who is she more beautiful than? Or is it because she's fair? If I want, I'll rub cream. I'll be fair.
Pick two.
It's not the same thing. How can I pick two? This is triangle and this is rectangle.
So? Mrs. Know All. So? Look at what is this?
It's okay, please. Let's not start now, please. Why is it that anytime we want to play or want to make jokes, you will just start quarreling? Why? I'm tired of both of you quarreling every time now. Please now, this thing is getting on me. I'm so tired about it. Please, people should just stop fighting with each other. We are friends. Why can't we continue the way we used to be before? Please, remember the Bible says, to err is human and to forgive is divine. Amaka, whatever Venda has done to you.
Whoosh! Hold it right there.
Please,
Who
Venda,
said I did anything to Amaka?
I'm not saying you did anything to anybody. All I just want is peace. Please, let's just be happy. Please, I don't want this fight and quarrels again. Please, it's okay. Venda, have you heard me?
Okay, fine. Tina, enough said.
Amaka, what about you?
I've never had any problem with her. God knows I love Bender with all my heart. If she's ready to settle, I'm always ready. I'm here.
Of course she's ready.
I'm sorry, Bender.
I'm ready to respect me.
I love that.
Come here.
Wow. I'm so happy for you too. So happy.
I missed you. I missed you.
Alright.
Okay, so where are we?
Let's take back our games.
So, what is the latest update on the traditional wedding?
Man, we've settled for 20th of October. Both traditional and white wedding.
Wow. I mean, that's pretty close.
You know, a whole lot is going to happen. It's going to be large. Very large.
Of course, I know that. Big man things, Abby.
Actually, I'm having some meeting with the family. By weekend, I'm going to update you on where to come in, you know, where to help me. I hope you're ready.
It's all right. I'm always here. You know I'm here for you.
I know. I
I'm
trust
always
you
there
now.
for you.
I trust you now.
Well, I'm so happy for you at least. Your girl is a real Ajabota.
Have you?
Not like my former vendor. Who is just a face me, I face to Ajabo. Anyway, just keep me posted.
I will.
I'm always here for you.
Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks.
And once again,
thanks.
congratulations.
You can say that again.
We hit it that day.
I bless God. Yeah.
Open!
Hey babes.
Brenda, what's up?
Cool. Where are you off to? You're all dressed up.
The church program I told you about.
Oh, that's...
Yeah.
Okay.
So how are you?
Very well, thank you. Do you have anything eatable in this room?
No. Wow! Babe, I just got a lot. Please, I'm sorry. Let me go in. Hold on. Hello? 180 Laura. My darling. Thank you so much. Yes, I got the alert. Sure, I did. Of course, it's more than enough. Oh, I wish I would make it. I'm going for a church program in the campus. Yes. Thank you so much. I love you too. Thank you. Did you hear that? It's for you. Thank you, darling. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. I'm so happy. Baby, I'm coming. Please, let me ease myself. This is the last. It's making me press.
All right.
To visit Satan or God. Useless hypocrites.
Sorry, babe. I kept you waiting.
No problem.
Let's go.
Okay. I can borrow this.
Of course, sure. After you.
Okay. Put you in prayer.
Oh,
join you
sure,
next time.
will.
Hello?
Ah, Chief. Your voice is so romantic and lovely. How are you, sir?
Please, may I know who I'm speaking with?
My name is Venda, but my friends call me Venza, as in Venza Jeep, because of my well-shaped, perfect, sexy waist. So, Chief, I got your number from Amaka. She didn't give it to me though, but I heard her saying that she's tired of you after she got the money you sent to her. She said that you disgust her, that she's just there because of the money you lavish on her.
Hello, I think you're speaking with the wrong person.
Sir, I know you will not believe me. I know, but I'm telling you the truth. Amaka hates even the ground you step on. She hates you. You disgust her. That's what she said. Eh? She's just eating your money, collecting money from you and maintaining one stupid, useless cult guy on campus. So I'm telling you all this because I'm a good person. I'm a nice person. I don't like the way she's treating you. Hello, sir. Are you there? Okay. Sir, don't you think I deserve some accolades for this privileged information?
Oh, thank you so much. And what's that your name again?
Oh, my name is Venda, but my friends call me Venza, as in Venza Jeep, because of my sexy, perfect waist. Eh? Don't worry, sir. When you see me, I'm so beautiful. I don't even know what you're doing with Amaka. Amaka is not fine. Eh? Sir, you know what? If you have WhatsApp, let me send you some of my pictures, just 2 of my crazy pictures. Eh?
Please do. Please do.
Hey, fresh bread straight from bakery. Yes, sir. Let me send, if you don't mind, sir, please, let me send you some of my pictures so that you know you've been wasting your time with that stupid, ugly Amaka.
No, not at all. Vicky.
Oh, sir, it's not Vicky. It's Venda, aka Venza.
Oh, Venza, I like the car.
You like the car? Ah, sir, you will love my waist. You will love my waist. Sir, you know what? I'm available for you any day, anytime, any minute. Eh? Okay, sir, let me quickly send you some pictures. Eh? Add me on WhatsApp. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Oh my God.
Oh yes, baby, I see you on WhatsApp. Okay. Hot pictures, hot picture. No, this one is not hot enough. Oh yeah. Set. Let me look for the one that my waist is showing well, very well. This one is showing my waist very well. Set. Send. Let me do another one where my waist is showing very well. Send.
Hello, Brenda.
Hi.
She's beautiful. Nice pictures indeed. Wow. It's okay.
Oh, he's calling me. He's calling me. Hello, sir.
Yo, baby. I've seen your beautiful pictures and indeed you are a queen.
Oh, I told you, sir. Hope you saw the one with my protruding waist.
I'm sure you want us to meet.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want us to see. I can't wait.
It's all right. I will send you the address of where we'll meet. Is tomorrow okay by you?
Yes, tomorrow is okay. Today is okay. Anytime, anywhere, any day. I'm available, sir. I'm available.
Good. You take a taxi and I will take care of everything.
Okay, sir. I love you, sir.
That's my baby. You're welcome.
Oh goodness.
You're switched off?
Mom, all his lines are switched off.
What's the meaning of this? This is past 7.
This is most unusual of him.
Are you sure he's okay?
I wouldn't know, Mom. Tonto has never kept me waiting. Not on such occasion. Maybe I should go to his house. He might be sick or something. And something must be wrong, Mom. He's never like this.
I think you're right.